Ni kawan-kawan yang tak tahu diri mau sahur di rumah kawan satu lagi yang asal dari Banda Aceh.
Sorry guys.
Grebek rumah orang sahur-sahur.
I feel so alive. It's like my soul thrives in your light. But how I wish you'd be here with me all year around. Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan ya Habib.
Yang baru bangun, yang paling malas masak anak ni. Ini paling malas.
Love is everywhere, so much peace fills up the air. Ramadan, month of the Quran, I feel it inside me, strengthening my iman. But how I wish you'd be here with me all year around. Ramadan, ليتك دوما قريب. I just love the way you make me feel. Every time you come around, you breathe life into my soul, and I promise that I'll try throughout the year to keep your spirit alive. In my heart it never dies. Oh, Ramadan. Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan ya Habib. Ramadan, Ramadan, ليتك دوما قريب. Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan ya Habib. Ramadan, Ramadan, ليتك دوما قريب.